Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm the founder and president of Bock Steam Star. I'm also an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with almost 30 years in the business now. We do a lot of business with people that are asthmatics and suffer from allergies, and I was reading an article here that was really interesting to me, and the premise is this: should I be concerned with indoor pet allergens even if I don't have a pet? And that was the interesting question and what caught my eye when I read about this study. And the short answer is yes, we should. What the study did is they took a representative sample across the United States in 831 residential homes, and they vacuumed up living rooms, bedrooms, upholstery, and then analyzed what they got. And what they were looking for were the proteins that are major allergic reaction, or cause a lot of allergic reactions, specifically CAN F1 and FD1, which are the proteins from the saliva from cats and dogs. And the results of it were pretty fantastic, that 50%, nearly 49.1% of the homes didn't even have pets in the house within the last 6 months, yet 100% of the homes showed the canine protein, and 99% of them the feline protein. So dang near 100% of the homes represented that they had those proteins in it. So what's the conclusion of this, and what should we take away from it? First of all, these proteins, CAN F1 and FD1, are universally present in U.S. homes, whether you have a dog or a cat or not. And they're tracked in. They're picked up on clothing and brought into your homes. When you're out and about, they exist in our environment. And if you're in a community, it also stipulated that if you're in a community that had more pets, so if you're around a bunch of pet lovers at work or other areas of your life, guess what? Those are being brought into our homes, whether we have pets or not. So the good news is we can still deal with these. We can, through restorative cleaners. That's our job as professional cleaners. We at Bock Steam Star, we specialize in deep, healthy cleaning systems. And hot water extraction from a high-performance truck mount like we have has been scientifically proven to remove these allergens the best. And that's not opinion, that's been scientifically proven. And so one study took dander levels down by 95% in a home. So call us if you struggle with these things. If you're an asthmatic or you have allergies, you want to know what you can do to protect your indoor environment, at least from a restorative cleaning standpoint, Bock Steam Star can help. I'll come out, give you a free on-location consultation and a quote, and then if it makes sense, we can do the job. Hope that helps. God bless.